Discover how to use artificial intelligence to stay competitive in today's digital age and make smarter decisions for your business. Are you ready to take your business to the next level and stay competitive in today's digital age? Artificial intelligence could be the solution you've been waiting for. Join us for an in-depth look on how you can use AI technology to increase efficiency, gain customer insights, and make smarter decisions. But there is more to consider than just the technical side of AI. Ethical implications, customer data privacy, and the labor force must all be factored into the equation. In this video, we'll offer a comprehensive guide on how to strategically implement AI into your business, so get ready to get started. Don't miss out on this comprehensive guide on using AI in your business. Subscribe to AI Topia and keep watching this video to learn more about how to strategically implement AI and stay competitive in the digital age. AI has been advancing rapidly in recent years, and it can offer a lot of advantages to businesses. AI can be used to automate tedious tasks that would take up a lot of time and resources. It can also give marketers valuable insight into customer behavior, helping them create more tailored content for higher engagement and spot consumer trends faster. Plus, AI can make accurate predictions about future market trends, which helps companies make better decisions about where to focus their growth. But with all this power comes responsibility. We need to make sure AI doesn't violate our privacy or do anything else that could be harmful. We also need to think about how AI will affect regulations and policies that governments put in place so this technology can remain beneficial without breaking any laws. AI can have a big impact on many different parts of business. It can help make processes more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective. It can also improve customer experience and satisfaction. AI is becoming an important tool for companies that want to stay competitive in the digital age. AI can be used in many different ways. For example, it can be used to automate web hosting or optimize banking systems. It can be used for creative applications like natural language processing and chatbots. AI is being used in almost every industry, and its uses are growing. But it's important to think about how far this technology should go before it starts to affect our humanity. Automation and AI can be used to make things more efficient and productive. Automated processes are usually more accurate than manual tasks, as they don't have the same potential for mistakes that humans do. Plus, automated systems give employees more time to do important things like creative problem solving or helping customers. And advanced AI technologies like machine learning algorithms can help customers make better decisions quickly by analyzing a lot of data from different sources. The possibilities that come with automation and AI are really exciting for businesses, but we have to be careful. We need to think about how much control we want machines to have over our lives. We need to make sure we understand the boundaries and use this technology in a responsible way, or else it could lead to bad things happening without us even knowing. Do you have any advice for businesses considering implementing AI solutions? Leave a comment with your thoughts below. Implementing AI can be tricky, but understanding the steps and taking the right precautions are key to making sure it works. First, businesses should think about what they need AI for. What tasks is it going to automate? What insights do they need in customer behavior so they can create more content more effectively? They also need to think about when and where to use AI so that it has the most impact. Once all of these details are worked out, companies must take safety measures before using AI. It's important that privacy regulations are followed so the technology is used ethically and safely. Otherwise, there could be unintended consequences that no one knows about until much later. With the right procedures from start to finish, including an effective strategy for collecting data, implementing artificial intelligence can be a great investment with positive results when done correctly. When it comes to AI, what role does regulation play in deciding how much unmonitored automation and AI technology we want in our lives? AI has many potential benefits for businesses. It can automate tedious tasks that would take up a lot of time and resources. It can help marketers understand customer behavior better so they can create accurate, more efficient content and spot trends quicker. Plus, AI can make accurate predictions about future market trends, helping companies make better decisions about where to focus their growth. AI can also affect different parts of doing business. For example, it can help recruiters hire talent faster with enhanced predictive models. It can also simplify processes in finance and accounting, making them more efficient. AI can also help operational departments by forecasting demand and improving inventory cycle times. However, there are concerns about ethical implications when it comes to implementing AI technology systems. What do you think should be taken into account when considering ethics within this framework? When it comes to using artificial intelligence or AI in business, there's a lot of ethical implications to consider. These include worries about privacy and data security for both customers and employees, as well as how AI could affect the labor force by taking away certain jobs and leaving people unemployed. It's also important to think about potential bias that can be built into algorithms, which could lead companies to make bad decisions based on inaccurate information. With all this in mind, businesses should do their research before implementing AI technologies. This includes having a plan for collecting, storing, handling, and protecting customer data throughout the life cycle, so everyone's interests are protected. So the big question is, how can businesses make sure they're ready to adopt AI solutions? Do you have any advice for businesses considering adopting AI solutions? Leave a comment with your thoughts below. When it comes to using artificial intelligence or AI in your business, the first step is to assess your current readiness. This means making sure the AI strategy you come up with fits your short and long-term goals for growth, and understanding how data-driven decisions can help or hurt your operations. It's also important to check if your existing technologies like big data platforms and analytics tools are still valid or need an upgrade when incorporating AI solutions. Plus, you should look at your team's skill set and see who has experience using algorithms and techniques like machine learning, so you have experts on board when you start using these technologies. When thinking about whether your business needs to use AI, ask yourself, am I willing to take the risks associated with introducing disruptive change into my organization? As AI becomes more popular, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and explore how businesses can use this technology to grow. Having competitive advantages means being ahead of your competition, not just in customer service or product design, but by using innovative solutions powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. With AI-driven analytics tools, companies can process data faster and spot potential threats before anyone else. This gives them an edge in being proactive instead of reactive. As we move towards automating different processes, there's a lot of discussion over how this will affect human workforce roles. Will robots take over mundane tasks like inventory management and order fulfillment? Will changes need to be made in our industry so everyone can benefit from automation? Humans must also adapt and examine the job and skill sets needed in a digital workplace where outdated skills are no longer useful. We must also be aware of the emotional and financial implications of layoffs, and be transparent about operations when implementing new planning models like job transitions. To sum it up, have wise decisions be made before adopting any technologies that could change the paradigms already agreed on, which rely heavily on team efforts. As businesses start using artificial intelligence or AI for everyday tasks, it's important to understand how AI can help us be more productive. For example, AI can automate tedious tasks like sorting through customer data or processing purchase orders, giving employees more time to focus on other important tasks. In marketing, AI can help create email campaigns faster than ever before. Using AI can make work more satisfying. People don't have to do mundane, low-value tasks anymore, and new jobs can be created around AI algorithms, giving people more opportunities to be grown in their careers. So AI can help us be more productive and create more satisfying work, but how can we use AI to create a better workplace for everyone? That's a question we need to answer. AI has many potential benefits for businesses, from automating tedious tasks to giving marketers valuable insights into customer behavior. It can also help businesses make better decisions by quickly analyzing data from different sources. But with this power comes responsibility. Businesses must make sure that AI doesn't violate any privacy regulations or do anything else that could be harmful. They also need to think about how AI will affect the regulations and policies that governments put in place. To use AI responsibly, businesses must plan out what tasks it will automate, when and where to use it, and how to collect and store data ethically. With the right procedures in place, AI can be a great investment with positive results. In our next video, we're going to be exploring the epic battle between ChatGPT and Google. We're going to see which AI solution comes out on top in the industry. Don't miss out. Tune in now to find out who will be crowned the ultimate AI champion. Will it be ChatGPT or will it be Google? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you join AI Topia by subscribing now so you can be kept up to date on all AI knowledge.